Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about stock selection intraday. So most of the people are not aware like how we can select a stock in intraday. So I am going to explain all those things based on sectorial movement. So we are not going to look into Nifty or Bank Nifty how they are going to perform. So we are going to look only the sectors, like which are the sectors are performing well on that day. Based on that we will pick a stock. So that is what I am going to show you today. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting the notification if I upload any new videos. So kindly subscribe. Also enable the bell icon. Okay, let us come to the topic. So yesterday I was telling, like in the previous video I was telling about how we can find out like NSE, like how which are the market are moving, how the sectors are. So to see that video I am given the link in the description. So if you are coming to this video first, so kindly watch that video, then only come to this one. So I have given the link in the description. Okay, you can watch that video, then you can come to this video. Then only you will be understanding how the things are working out. So in the part 1 you have to watch first, then come to part 2. So like if you want to see this page, you have to enter like www.1.nseindia.com. So you have to type this and search from here. So here you have to come to live market. So first thing you have to see, like yesterday I was telling about pre-open market. So then you will come to know like what is Nifty's movement today. So here you can see like advances and declines. So today if you see like it was like 24 was decline. That is the reason Nifty is down today. So the advances was 21. So if you see here Nifty is now almost 100 points down now. So that is the only reason why Nifty is going down today. So here you can see like almost 100 points Nifty down. So the decline was more. So always as a beginner you should know like okay today how Nifty is going to perform. So first you have to see how many shares are advanced or how many shares are declined. So based on that Nifty will decide whether to move up or down. So that is the first thing. And the second thing is that as I was telling yesterday, like you have to go to live market. From here you have to select index. Here you can see index here. So this is the option, you have to select index. So once you click on index, you will be getting the sectorial here, sectorial index. So based on that you have to decide. So today's Nifty is down. And you can see like only the media sector is up. The media sector is up almost 1.26 percentage. It means the entire market is down, but the medias are up. So you can select a stock in media. So which are the stocks comes under media. So you have to sort out, okay, like what are the media stocks are coming. Just click on the media. Then you will be getting an idea of like which are the shares are coming here. So once you come here, you can see like Dish TV is there, C Media is there. Then you can see PVR, Sun TV, TV Today. So all those things are there. What is the change there? So most of the shares are positive. If you see PVR, it is almost 40 rupees up. So if you take any stock, like whichever is performing, then you can make 100% profit. So that is the criteria. So there are market risk also is that if you are a beginner, so I don't suggest you to blindly follow this. Okay. So first thing you have to do, you have to observe for few days, then you do a paper trade, then understand okay this is working out, then only go in a live market. So don't enter into live market like whatever I am telling. So first you have to listen, first you have to do practice, you have to do paper trading, then only you can do the real trading. So see, the real trading is always different. So you have to understand the basic thing. So you have to do paper trading and you have to manually you have to do okay this is moving up and which stock I am selecting today. So do like 2 to 3 days you do paper trading and observe the market and observe the sectors, okay, which are the sectors are performing well. So don't mind of Nifty. So if Nifty is going negative or Nifty is going positive, so like you don't require to look into Nifty. So if you are going with the sectorial movement, you can select a stock based on the sector movement. So if you are selecting the stock based on the sector movement, so you can get around 5 to 10% profit you can get. So only thing is that you have to watch the thing and you have to observe the thing. So based on the observation, okay, you can decide okay these are the things are moving. So Nifty is today down and only the media sectors are performing well. That is the reason I have selected a stock. So if you have selected a PVR stock today, you can see the PVR status here. So here you can see the entire market is under negative now. You can see almost 80 points negative now. The market is, this is a live market, okay. You can see the current market is running, but here you can see the PVR. What is the status of PVR? PVR still in positive. Here you can see the high was 1065. So that was a high. So almost how many points up? Almost 90 points up for today. That is only reason I told, like, if the only you have to go based on the sectorial movement. So select a sector and find out like which sectors are moving today. If Nifty is going negative, it's not required to mind the Nifty at all. So just go ahead and select a stock, and based on the stock you can go ahead. So this is like the best thing, like, and if you are a beginner, you should understand, okay, how market is functioning, and based on that you have to select a stock. So if you are selecting a stock based on the sectorial movement, you can make like around 80 to 90% you can get accuracy. The major thing is that you have to observe the market. Here again I'll show you one more thing, like you can see Nifty IT is negative, like almost 1% negative. So go to, okay, Nifty IT will see you. The Nifty is almost 1% down. If you see Nifty here, it is almost 1% down. So if you see the shares, like here you can see Tech Mahindra is almost 15 rupees down, and NIT Tech is 20 rupees down, TCS is 30 rupees down. So whenever you are seeing a huge negative also, like in the sectorial movement, okay, there is a 1% or more than 1% negative, you can do one thing, you can sell the shares also. Instead of buying, you can sell the shares, and once the price is going down, you can buy the shares and you can make profit. So these are the important thing when you are going with a sectorial movement. So you have to see like which sectors are performing well and which sectors are not performing well. So you can buy one side. If the sectors which are performing buy, you can go and buy. The sectors which are performing like negative, you can sell the shares. So this is the easy way you can make money. So I hope this topic is very clear. Like if you have any doubts or any clarification required, you can give me a comment, or you can if you have any doubts, you can give the comment here in the comment box, or you can WhatsApp me. So all those things you can do it. So this is like the easy method. Like based on every day you have to see, like before, that is what I was telling in the previous video. I was telling about how the market is going to open, like around 8 to 9 10 o'clock you go to log into NSE.com, and you have to go to pre-open market and find out like how the market is opening, how many shares are advanced and how many shares are declined. So based on that you have to decide, and then after 9:15, like by 9:15 you will be coming to know like which are the sectors are going to perform. So based on that, select a stock and be ready and observe for 5 to 10 minutes and see like, okay, these sectors are like continuously performing, or after opening market after 9:15, okay, again there is a drastic there is a huge change in the market or in the sectors. Like for example, if I am selecting media, okay, the media is now currently when market open is 1%, now suddenly it is increased to 1.5. So we should understand, okay, there is a improvement or there is a growth in media. So suddenly we have to go and pick the stock, like what are the stocks are there. So you have to identify and select one stock which can move. Like for example, if you are going with Sun TV, like it is only like less than 500 rupees share, so it won't move that much. So that is the reason I was suggesting you PVR. So PVR is like around 9,000 rupees share. So that can give you little more movement. So that is the reason it was moved more than 90 rupees within a second. So that is the reason I am telling, like whenever you are selecting a stock, don't go like the shares like lesser than 500 or 300. So that can move maximum 3 to 4 rupees per day. So the profit level can be less. But that is a good idea. Like if you are a beginner, you can like the risk level will be less. But when you are going with the bigger shares, you can earn more profit. The risk level also will be less because you don't require to keep too much stop loss also. So always you have to see the media here. You can see all the medias here. If you want to refresh and see like how the status of now. So now also if you see the status is now the increasing, like media is almost 1.91. It means there is a dramatic change in media. So if you come to here you can see now, before it was 1045, now you can see here almost 55 now. So almost 10 rupees up within that second. So that is the reason I'm telling, like if you are going with media or like seeing the based on the positive, you can make easily, you can make profits. Here you see now it is like within that second, like within 1 minute, almost 10 points up. So that is the reason I am telling, like you have to go with sectorial movement. So here you are not required to see the Nifty also. See the Nifty is still 80 rupees minus, but still you can see the PVR is performing. That is the best advantage of going with the sectorial selection. So always you have to select based on the sectorial. So even like in the Apollo hospital, like in the pharma sector also was very good. Like it the pharma was also like somewhat good here. So if you go with the pharma, the morning it was very good actually. Here you can see like pharma sector was some of the pharmas was very good. Okay, but now it has come down. Here you can see like Glenmark, Biocon, all those things was performing well in the morning, but now it is little bit down because the market was went down. So this is the best technique as a beginner has to learn and start trading. Without this knowledge of the market, don't get into market. So in the same way, I have started a WhatsApp group also. Here you can see this is my WhatsApp group. This is absolutely free. Okay, you can join to this group, and I will be updating like daily basis. I will be updating what is the status of market, which share has to buy. So today also morning I have given Apollo Hospital. You can see here. I told to buy at 1370, and the target was 383, and you can see the target was achieved within 1 hour. So this is the easy way you can make profit. You can join to this group. I have given the group link in the description. Okay, if anyone interested to join this group, you can click on the link and you can join to the group. So this is about media also. So all the related to market I'll be updating on this group. So a lot of people you can see here joining to this group. Then coming to my YouTube channel, I have started a YouTube channel also. Here you can see the link also I have given in the description. So a lot of videos I have uploaded related to market. You can join to this group and you can learn about market. So you'll have a lot of ideas will be related to market. So kindly join to this channel. Also subscribe. Also, anyone interested to open account with Angel Broking application, also you can contact me. Also, the link I have given in the description. The same link I have given in the description. You can click on the link and you can start opening the account. For any clarification or anything required, you can directly contact me. So, hope this topic is very clear. And if you have any queries or any requirement, just give a comment so that I will be responding to each comment. So kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting the notification immediately. So thanks for watching.